Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my bread videos. Now, a couple of months ago my wife started this ketogenic or low carbohydrate diet, more commonly known as the keto diet. But she loves her bread, so after a little research, mainly trawling through YouTube videos, I came up with a couple of these simple, quick and easy microwave keto bread recipes. The first recipe is a small loaf, and these are the ingredients you'll need. And the second is a very quick single portion one made in a coffee mug in 3 minutes flat. Right, I'll start with the first loaf, and because it's cooked in a microwave, I'll be using this silicone 1 pound loaf pan. Okay, here we go. Start by cracking the 4 large eggs into a bowl and give them a good whisk. This is to get some air into the mix. Once that's done, now add the melted butter followed by the ground almonds. When it comes to adding the baking powder, make sure you put it through a sieve first and push those little hard bits through. If you don't, there's a good chance those little clumps of baking powder will be scattered throughout the finished bread, resulting in a rather nasty, salty taste. You can adapt this recipe to be baked in a conventional oven. The only difference is you'll have to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then bake at 180 Celsius for approximately 30 minutes. Then you can test it using a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. But like I said, I'll be using a microwave to make mine in 1/10 of the time. Right, fold the ingredients together using a spatula. Then carefully pour the mix into the loaf pan, making sure you get every last bit out. Now get it into the microwave on full power, that's 800 watts in my case, and set the timer for 3 minutes. If your microwave is less than 800 watts, then you may have to add a little more time. Just add 15 seconds at a time until it's done. And that's just about all there is to it. Don't expect it to dome over at the top like a normal loaf when it's cooked in the microwave. It will look a little flat, but if you bake yours in a conventional oven, you will get a slight dome on the top. Now turn it out onto a wire rack and let it cool for a bit. Okay, once it's cooled down a bit, just use it like any other ordinary bread. I'm going to try a piece with some of my homemade butter and homemade cheddar cheese. I'll leave links to those videos in the description box below. And the texture is soft, light, just like any other ordinary bread, and it tastes delicious. This is a great low carbohydrate alternative to wheat flour bread, and it's gluten free. Okay, now that one gets the thumbs up. Now I'll demonstrate the quick single portion version. And this one couldn't be any easier or quicker. It only takes 3 minutes from start to finish. Start by rubbing a little butter around the inside of a tea or coffee mug and add the ingredients one at a time as shown in the video. Make sure your butter is very soft and your egg is at room temperature. And once again, I'll push the baking powder through the sieve to avoid any lumps in the finished bread. Right, I'll give that a good mix with my little mini whisk. Now clean the inside of the cup down with a spatula and get it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And that's all there is to it. Tip it onto a plate, it should pop out of the cup easily, and you can use it straight away. And like the first recipe, this can be used exactly the same way as any other bread. You can have it with just butter. It toasts beautifully. I like to butter both sides and lightly fry it in a dry frying pan. And this is a great keto breakfast using some of the quick low carb bread. Well, I hope this video has been useful to some of you out there wanting a low carb bread substitute. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.